What's up, you guys? This is a quick routine on how I repair my skin when I've broken my skin barrier. Okay? Work with me here. So I first go in with the Inky List Oat Cleanser. I love it. It's a regular in my skincare routine because it is made to just make my skin feel hydrated, and it's gentle. It removes makeup and sunscreen, so even better. After this, I go in with the Q10, still from the Inky List. I love this because it has incredible antioxidants and it always leaves my skin feeling so amazing and hydrated. After that, I go in with my absolute number one recommended moisturizer from Skin Fundamentals. Their ceramide cream is out of this world. Always makes my skin feel so bouncy, so luscious, so amazing. And I top it off with my newest favorite skincare product, which is the silky sunscreen made for dry skin, SPF 30. Also gives an amazing glow. And after that, I'm ready. So this is what we do in the daytime to make sure that the skin barrier is get in to where it needs to get. Let me know what you think.